In this video, you'll learn how to get your Binance API key. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and manage your API key securely for trading purposes. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select API Manager. This section allows you to set up and manage your API keys. Upon entering the API management page, you will see a list of existing API keys. If there are any, carefully read the API usage warnings displayed on this page to understand the implications of using API keys. It is crucial to ensure that your account security settings are robust before proceeding, as this helps protect your assets. After reviewing the warnings, look for the option to create a new API key. To create a new API key, you will be prompted to enter a label name for the key. This label can be anything that helps you identify the purpose of the key, such as trading bot or market analysis. After entering the label, you will need to complete a security verification process, which may involve two-factor authentication. Once verified, the system will generate your new API key and secret. Make sure to copy these credentials and store them securely, as the secret key will not be displayed again. Next, you will have the option to set permissions for the API key based on its intended use. It is advisable to only enable the permissions that are necessary for your activities. For example, if you do not need to withdraw funds using the API, do not enable withdrawal permissions. This precaution helps minimize risks associated with unauthorized access. After creating and configuring your API key, it is essential to manage and secure access effectively. Store your API keys securely offline, such as a password manager to prevent unauthorized. If possible, restrict IP access to your API keys by whitelisting specific IP addresses. Regularly monitor API activity to detect any unusual behavior. If you notice any suspicious activity, or if the API key is no longer needed, disable it promptly. In case of a security breach, consider regenerating the API keys to maintain security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next U in the Com.